Welcome back. Today I have an exciting kind of new stamping technique I definitely got turned on to, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is stamping your nails with Sharpies. Yes. So first off, you're going to start by applying a white base or some other lighter kind of shade. You don't want too dark because I don't think the Sharpies will transfer that nicely, but the brighter the polish, the lighter, the better, and the colors are going to pop. So pick out your Sharpies and look at the array of ideas and designs you can come up with this. This is so much cheaper than buying individual colored stamping polishes, and I'm loving this technique. So I'm using Bundle Mustard Plate 201, and I'm using that chevron design. Of course, you need your stamper and your scraper, and your Sharpies. So I am just going to do like a ombre gradient. So I'm going to do yellow, orange, and then a purple. These colors just sounded really good at the time, and it actually stamped really well. So you just want to fill in the design with your marker. And I'm using LA Colors Nail Polish and Fortune. And this nail polish stamps really nicely with the Sharpies. And you just go about your regular stamping. You scrape it, pick the image up. It will dry kind of quickly, so work fast. Place it. And there is your beautiful, colorful, stampy design, or Sharpie design. It does clean off with acetone, so don't worry about your plate. And for a metallic shimmery finish, definitely use a metallic polish for this. If you want a more bold color pop, definitely use a white to stamp with, and I'll have a video on this soon. As the polish to kind of activate it and stamp with it. And we're going to do our next nail. So it's super easy. You just fill in your design. You fill in your image. Use some polish to activate. Scrape and stamp. It is so easy, and the possibilities with this method are endless because there are so many different shades of Sharpie out there. It's so easy, and they just look so nice. And these have a metallic shimmery finish to them, like I said, because we used that shimmery polish. And I definitely wanted to just try this out with you guys because this technique is bomb. And we're gonna apply our top coat, and you want to wait a little bit before you apply your top coat. Don't do it right away because it will smear. Wait till the Sharpies dry. Yeah, and easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Found it helpful. Definitely check out other nail tutorials I've done in the description box below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more stamping with Sharpies videos.